Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today's look is a glam one. I wanted to use more neutrals once again just because I like to change it up, sometimes do the colourful ones, sometimes do the neutrals. So yeah, today's one is a more neutral one. Yeah, and this is the look I came up with. It's kind of like a halo eye, spotlight eye, but like kind of full cut crease at the same time, because it's kind of like a mixture of both, because it's not super in the middle, it's like a bit more cut creasy than that, if that makes any sense whatsoever. It's got gold on it, it's got browns, blacks and glitter of course, so it's ideal for any sort of night out or event or any sort of situation where you want to look super glam and dramatic. So yeah, put some big lashes on and yeah, a nude lip to finish it off. So yeah, that is today's tutorial. If it looks like something you'd enjoy, please keep on watching, and if you do enjoy, please let me know down below what you thought. Give the video a like and do subscribe because it helps out my channel and I will love you forever and ever. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so for today's video I'm going to use the Morphe JACLYN Hill palette. And the first shade I'm going to go in with is just a mixture of these two here. So this light brown one and this darker chocolate brown. I hope you can see them. And I'm just going to start putting this through the crease and over the lid. I'm going to leave like a gap in the centre, but obviously if you do get it on the lid it doesn't matter because we're going to go in with some concealer as usual. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to really work on building up that pigment because I want it to be really obvious when we cut the crease. I don't want it to be natural. And then I'm just going to take these shades here, which is like just like some light brown ones, and I'm just going to use them as our like transition shades. And I'm just going backwards and forwards with those two shadows and those two brushes just to make sure it's nice and blended, but also it's nice and pigmented. And I'm just going to keep doing this until I am happy with it. This may take a few goes. And as you can see, I'm just doing it in like this almost half circle shape, if you can see that. And then I'm just going to take some concealer as usual, and I'm just going to cut out the majority of the crease. This is kind of a halo eye, kind of a cut crease, just because I use like the same techniques as a halo eye, but like it's a lot like wider than like your standard halo eye, I guess, as you can probably see. I'm then going to go into the Mini Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to go into the shade Dahlia, which is like this gold one, just because I prefer this gold to the ones in the JACLYN Hill palette, but obviously you can use whatever. And just on a wet brush I'm just going to put that where we cut out that crease. Okay, and I know I keep using this in like every tutorial, but I'm going to take the Collection Glam Crystals. This is just like a gel eyeliner, but I'm just going to use it as like a glitter and also like a glue in a minute. So I'm just going to apply it onto that centre part. And then I'm going to go into them brown shades we first went in with and just blend in the outer and the inner corner into that gold shade. But I'm not going to take it too far in because I do want it to be quite wide.
Don't wanna play dumb not anymore. I let that fire burn inside of me. 'Cause all I need is that dance floor. The music's all I ask for.
And then I'm going to take that gold glitter and just make sure it's everywhere. And then I just wanted to add more glitter because I don't even know. I'm just going a bit mad. So I've just taken the Peaches and Cream pigment in the shades Wish. And I'm just going to dab some of this on because it's like quite a glittery pigment. And then if we've got glitter on the top, I'm just going to clean that up with that brown shade. Just going back in with the brown to make sure it's all looking nice and seamless. And then I'm going to take the Collection Lasting Colour Gel Eyeliner and I'm just going to draw quite a small wing. It's not going to be a wing, that's a lie. I always say wing when I mean just line. Like, what do you call it if it's not a wing? Just going to draw a small line on my lid.
'Cause all I need is that dance floor. The music's all I ask for. You mean nothing to me no more, no more. 'Cause I'm better on my own. I don't need nobody. I don't need nobody. I don't need nobody to make me feel good. I don't need nobody.
So I just applied some Tarte mascara and applied the TATTI lashes in the style TL37, and I'm just going to go back into the palette and use some of them light shades, them two there, just to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the Collection Gel Eyeliner and I'm just going to put some of that onto my waterline just to make this glam and, like, you know, more of a dramatic look. Oh, and drop everything in the process. Does anyone else's eye have like a pure mental breakdown when it does that for the first time? Oh, mine does. Okay, I'm then going to take some of the dark shades. So I'm going to take some of the black, but I'm also going to take some of the browns mixed in, and I'm going to press this quite close to the lower lash line just to smoke out that black so it's not just like a black random line. And then I'm going to take them lighter browns we went in with and just start smoking it out. Okay, so I'm just going to go finish off the rest of my face and then I will be back to show you the finished look. so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please give the video a like as usual, leave me a comment down below and click subscribe. You're probably getting so bored of me saying it, but yeah, please do subscribe if you enjoyed, just because it does help out my channel. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you so much once again for clicking on this video, and if you got to this point, thank you so much. And I will see you all very soon. Thanks everyone. Bye.
'Cause all I